everyone! Today you will learn about the evolution of plates. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell. Enjoy watching! It all began with simple fire, the first tool that changed humankind. People learn to preserve heat, and cooking slowly emerges from chaos. The appearance of cookware opens the way to boiling, a new way of processing food. The first ovens allowed people to preserve food and feed entire tribes. For the Egyptians, cooking became a craft, precise and part of everyday life. The Greeks turned cooking into an art of taste and harmony. Rome brings cooking to a new level: convenience, stability, system. Bread becomes a mass product, and the oven, the heart of every home. The hearth unites families, warms homes, and feeds whole settlements. Ancient Asia created the first energy-efficient construction. The Middle Ages, a time of great hearths, where cooking demands strength and skill. The first control appears: you can raise and lower the cauldron. The oven becomes the center of the community. A whole village lives on the warmth. Cooking merges with medicine, the birth of culinary science. The Russian stove combines all functions of the home: cooking, heating, sleeping, living. Baking turns into a tradition passed down through generations. The tender is an example of amazing efficiency and ancient engineering genius. The East creates new flavors thanks to unique oven designs. Cookware evolves together with ovens. Standards begin to appear. The chimney changes everything. Kitchens become safer and cleaner. The industrial era brings metal, strong, reliable, durable. Cooking becomes more technological but still labor-intensive. Precise heat adjustment appears, an important step forward. For the first time, two functions are combined in one device: boiling and baking. At the turn of the century, the kitchen becomes an organized workspace. Gas brings a revolution: convenience, speed, control. The gas stove becomes the new standard of the city. An era of large constructions built for big families. Manufacturers, for the first time, begin to promote convenience as a value. Stoves become more compact and smarter. Electricity brings a new level of safety. Cooking becomes part of morning rituals. Even heat changes the quality of dishes. The home becomes a space of comfort and style. Precision appears, a crucial step in culinary art. Simplicity and reliability, the formula of decades. The oven becomes the main tool of the home kitchen. The world discovers for the first time that food can be cooked in minutes. Appliances become part of family atmosphere. Automation gradually enters everyday life. Aesthetics start to matter no less than functionality. A new design appears, smooth and minimalist. Multifunctionality becomes the main trend of the decade. Manufacturers promise a kitchen of the future, and they are almost right. Safety and technology go hand in hand. Induction means speed, precision, efficiency. Control becomes intuitive, almost invisible. Convection delivers an evenness that was once impossible. Cleaning becomes quick and simple. Appliances become part of the interior, not separate objects. Combined solutions give freedom of choice. Cooking connects to the digital ecosystem. Now you can cook even from a distance. Intelligence becomes the standard for appliances. Cooking disappears from view, only the result remains. Interactivity creates entirely new cooking scenarios. Appliances take care of themselves, and people can rest. The future is a kitchen that runs itself. Turn it to your preferences.